Welcome to InvoratecAI, your BIM AI assistant. In the AEC industry, time is money, and efficiency is competitive advantage. But in traditional workflows, designers spend every day fighting complicated task tracking, endless data syncing, and constant tool switching. What if there were one platform that seamlessly combined project management, BIM collaboration, and an AI assistant into a single experience? That is InvoratecAI, the next-generation intelligent collaboration platform built specifically for AEC. InvoratecAI is powered by two core components. The web app, your cloud-based project management center, supporting over 20 languages so global teams can collaborate without barriers. The Revit Add-in, deeply integrated into the design environment you already use every day, making BIM workflows smarter and faster. Both sides stay synchronized in real time. Data is never lost. Whether you're in the office or on site, you always have full project control. First, let's look at our revolutionary task management system. We created an intuitive task workspace. You can create unlimited levels of subtasks, apply smart sorting and advanced filters, export to Excel with one click, and track time in real time, down to the minute. Every task supports more than 45 property types, from simple text and dates, to advanced Revit element tracking and an embedded 3D model viewer, built to meet the full range of AEC needs. Prefer Kanban? Switch to Board View, drag and drop cards to update status instantly. Team collaboration has never been this smooth. Project managers need a clear, high-level view. With Project Management View, you get a project dashboard, see project status, budget, and progress at a glance. Team management, assign roles, disciplines, and hourly rates, and automatically calculate cost and utilization. Milestone tracking, set key deliverables, and the system automatically flags overdue risks. Budget analytics, track spent versus remaining budget in real time, making project finances transparent and fully controllable. InvoratecAI integrates deeply with Autodesk Construction Cloud. Through secure third-party authentication, you can link ACC projects directly, embed a 3D model viewer inside tasks so you can review models without leaving the platform. Use a drawing viewer to review ACC build sheets, sync markups and comments, and visualize coordination clash collections. This creates a truly seamless connection from design to construction. This is the most exciting part of InvoratecAI, our AI intelligent assistant. Talk to your Revit model using natural language. Find all walls on level 3. Count all doors and windows in this project. Generate a piping system report. The AI doesn't just understand your intent, it automatically matches the best tool, and can even execute Python and C# scripts. Your design ideas become reality, one sentence at a time. Every BIM team has its own tools and scripts. InvoratecAI's tool library system supports compiled DLL plugins. One DLL can include multiple professional tools, Python scripts, fast automation, C# scripts, more powerful custom logic, and text files for documentation and configuration. Tools can be categorized and tagged with keywords for quick search, turning your team's knowledge into a clean, organized library. Design changes are part of every AEC project. The key question is, how do you ensure every issue is traceable to the exact element? With Revit element tracking, you can link any Revit element directly to a task, store the unique IP for persistence across sessions, save category, level, and 3D coordinates, and jump from the task to the exact location in the model with one click. Issue tracking without blind spots. All data is synchronized in real time through the cloud. When team members update tasks in the web app, Revit users see it immediately, and the same works in reverse. Built on a multi-tenant architecture, each company's data is fully isolated and secure. Data conflicts? A timestamp-based system automatically resolves them to keep everything consistent. InvoratecAI supports over 20 languages: Chinese, English, German, French, Japanese, Korean, Spanish, Hindi, Vietnamese, Thai, and more. No matter where your team is located, everyone can work efficiently in their native language. InvoratecAI is more than a tool. It's your partner for AEC project success. Task management, BIM collaboration, AI intelligence, and global team support, all in one platform. Visit our website today and begin your intelligent collaboration journey. InvoratecAI, making design simpler and collaboration faster.